I'm always trying to find the light. What's up, guys? Like, nah. But hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Diamond, and today I'm going to do another shop with me video. Today I'm going to be going to HomeGoods, of course. You guys already know that is my #1 home store. So I'm going to HomeGoods, and I'm actually going with my little cousin today, the one that just bought a house. So we're just going to have like a big cousin, little cousin, home shopping day. We were also thinking about going to Michaels because we were interested in finding some different like crafts so we can do some different artworks for our houses. So we're going to see what that Michaels have to offer to see if like we can find anything to create some pieces. Other than that, we may be going to like some other home stores in that area if we see anything, but right now we know HomeGoods and Michaels for sure. But yeah, today is a beautiful day. It's about 55 degrees. You know, it's been snowing recently, so I'm just happy to get out the house, to just switch it up. You know, I've been like home-written a lot, so any day that I have to get out the house and just enjoy myself, I'm looking forward to it, of course. So if you're interested in this type of content, be sure to continue watching and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Okay, let's do this.
With iCloud refunds at your fingertips, you can play on your phone.
Seatbelt on.
Even your smart TV. Never seen that before. Play
Alright guys, I just put the directions, even though I should know where I'm going. I just put the directions in my GPS and I'm about to head out. So yeah, until I get there, bye-bye. Alright y'all, say hi. This is my cousin, Azsanai.
Y'all should follow me.
Yes.
Hey, homegirl.
Yes.
On YouTube.
On YouTube.
I just slay on Instagram.
Follow her. She does all home content as well.
And a little bit of beauty.
And a little bit of beauty.
When we want to.
But we just made it to HomeGoods. So we about to get in here and see what it got to offer on this good day. So these right here are so good for like if you have to rinse off stuff and you want to just put it in your refrigerator, like for instance strawberries or like fresh greens, different things like that that you just want to sit in here. So I'm gonna get a few of these ones because I have a hard time finding these like on Amazon. You guys, we are going ham in this HomeGoods. They have so much good stuff. We already need a second cart. look at some of the stuff we have so far. All this stuff is like organization, kitchen stuff. This is both for our things. We're about to break them up when we found a new cart. And look at this cute basket. Whoopsie. Azsanai about to get for her covers in her living room. I love this one. This one is going to a happy home. I'm a little bit jealous because I like that one for my house too. But oh well.
I don't think it's gonna fall. You break, you buy. How much is it?
Please don't fall, Jesus.
How you like it? I would get that for the backyard. I was actually, and it's only $2.99.
Yeah, and it looks really sturdy. It feels sturdy.
I like the color. I like the blue.
Me too. You can always like recover this one too if you want to.
For your poster.
It's a price tag.
Yes.
I like that a lot.
What is it originally? It's originally $4.25.
I like this iron. Oh, I would have definitely got this right here, like for our backyard. I think that's so cool.
I think it's good. I actually am planning on getting some for the backyard.
At least we can have like the brand in case we can like go online. This is an outdoor lounge egg chair from Tommy Bahama. So I found these really cute curtains that I love, but the one that's 96 inches is in blackout, and the ones that are blackout are 84 inches. So they're not going to work for our bedroom, but I still thought I would show you guys it. So these are it right here, like a creamy brown, and these are DKNY. 96 inches, and they're not blackout. And this one comes with 4 panels for $59. You're back for the second cart. Yay!
Back for the second part. I don't know how this basket.
These are the blackout one. Same curtain, but 84 inches with only 2 panels. So cute, but it's not gonna work, unfortunately. Wow. So we are just getting back from that HomeGoods. It was amazing, like literally amazing. I'm definitely going to come visit this HomeGoods more often because they just had so much stuff. I can only imagine the amount of stuff they would have like on a weekday, you know what I mean? I didn't get that much, but my cousin got so much stuff for her master bedroom. I got a lot of kitchen organization items, which I'm really happy about. They had a lot of good like trinkets, stuff that you can use to style your shelves, furniture, rugs, everything. They just had tons of items, and for it to be a Saturday, I think I said it was Sunday earlier. My days are so jumbled up, but for it to be a Saturday and they had all that stuff, that was so good. I tried to film as much as I could, but it was just kind of hard because it was a lot of people in there, I guess because it's like midday Saturday. But hopefully you guys can kind of see like the stuff that they did have in that HomeGoods. But now we're going to go to Michael's, and then we're going to just go and get something to eat. So, all right guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Alright, we just finished up at Michael's. They didn't really have that much stuff. I didn't get anything. My cousin did get some stuff for some art pieces for her house, a couple of canvases and some paint, so she can try to create a masterpiece for her house. We just pulled up to this restaurant that's nearby. We're about to get some grub because we're hungry. Alright guys, we are finally done for today. As you can see, it's tonight, exactly. It's dark time out here. We just finished our dinner and we're about to head home, but I really enjoyed myself with you.
We had a really good day today. We had lots of great finds, lots of trials and tribulations.
Yes.
But it was so much fun, and we're definitely gonna do this again. So you guys, stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Remember to follow her.
And follow her.
Shout out to
Okay,
channel.
so follow me at Hey Homegirl on YouTube and Aja Slay on Instagram.
Yes, definitely. But until next time, thank you guys for watching and have a good